We continue to monitor severe weather. Tornado warning continues for southeastern California and south central Nebraska up until 8:15. Tornado warning for Republic County and North Central Kansas up until 8 o'clock tonight. 10 minutes before 8 o'clock, 10 minutes before 8 o'clock, our severe weather coverage on tonight's weather will continue after this here on Beatrice 1450 KWBE and today's best country KUTT.
Get better care for your car and your budget with Owner Advantage from Beatrice Ford Lincoln Mercury. Owner Advantage Rewards is Beatrice Ford's way of rewarding you for taking care of all your vehicles, no matter what make or what model. You'll get a $10 endorsement bonus, 5% credit and service rewards that you can spend on future visits, and more. And membership is free and easy. Beatrice Ford Lincoln Mercury, North Highway 77 in Beatrice. They love what they do, and so will you.
Holy cow. It's on the thing.